Speaking skills conversation 3. Improve conversation by expressing opinions and likes. Let's talk about like first. Like. Like has a number of different meanings and uses. What do you like? Ask what things a person finds pleasing. Conversation. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. No, I don't. What kind of ice cream or flavor do you like? I like vanilla, but my sister likes chocolate. Another use of like. What do you like to do? Ask what activities a person enjoys. What do you like to do at weekends? I like to relax and go out with my friends. And you? Well, I like to stay at home and read storybooks. Would like. Would you like is a polite way of asking what someone wants. Conversation. What would you like for your birthday party? I would like a bake party. I would like a music night. What would you like to do today? I would like to go out with my friends. I would like to do some shopping. Another use of would like. What would you like to do this weekend? We sometimes use to hang out. That means to do something socially with one or more other people. What would you like to do this weekend? We are going to hang out at Kate's house this Saturday. We will probably just listen to music, maybe practice that new drama performance. Now, improve conversation by expressing opinions. What kind of? What do you think of this? Is a way of asking someone's opinion of something. Conversation. What do you think of new teacher? She is strict, but I think she is great. I like her. Other ways of indicating opinion include some adjectives like awesome, cool, fantastic, great, amazing. Conversation. What do you think about college? College is awesome. My professors are cool and the classes are fantastic. The nightlife is great. My friends are amazing. That's all. So this is called expressing by opinions, by likes and dislikes. Thank you so much.